Warragul is surrounded by lush fields teeming with fat, contented cows, and where there are fat, contented cows, there's plump, juicy beef. This is rich dairy country, home to most of Melbourne's milk. These hills, where fresh springs rise, are studded with wholesome potatoes and juicy apples and clucking poultry producing golden yolked eggs, just happy to crack open and greet the day. This is where food is hankering to meet its maker. Just over an hour's drive from Melbourne, Warragul is located in the West Gippsland region, a small country town with a hidden hankering for the gourmet. It's quite a surprise to find such a place in the heart of Warragul, but it's more than just a wall of exotic spices. It's all about form and function here. Things that work, things that inspire the passionate cook and the gourmand. Downstairs here, it's all about the stuff, the gear, the machination. Upstairs, it's about experimentation and inspiration. String and Salt is a store founded on a love of food and sharing, and stocks over 300 spices and herbs. But it's upstairs that those spices get to shine.
So today we're cooking Estonian food my heritage, and where my mum comes from. So that's from the Baltic area, so Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, those types of really hearty food, generous food, peasant-style food, and not well known, but delicious. We'll be doing some Christmas-style pork sausage with barley. We'll be making some sauerkraut to go with that. We'll be doing some gravlax, so some cured local trout, and we'll also be finishing off with kringle, which is a special style of Estonian cinnamon bun.
String and Salt Cooking School was a natural extension of the business for owners Dave and Michelle. So it begs the question, what came first here, the cooking school or the shop?
Well, they came at the same time. It was a bit of a joint thought process. We love cooking at home, we love sharing that experience with our friends and our family, and so socialising for us occurs around our kitchen bench. We also wanted the opportunity to be able to teach people to use ingredients, and of course the spices and the products that we sell downstairs.
From kneading the dough for the Estonian cinnamon bun to salting the trout for the gravlax.
And this is what actually preserves the fish. Everything else is for flavour.
It's a hands-on lesson in creating good, quality food.
For me, food and production of food is important, and Gippsland makes awesome food. The brand isn't like a Yarra Valley or a Mornington Peninsula, which has a high profile. It's a little bit of a discovery. Yeah. There's small producers making awesome food.
That's beautiful. That's an archipelago of rich and diverse flavours. Dave is keen to make sure that everyone gets a chance to get their hands dirty and understand the processes involved. Oh, it's going awfully well.
Yeah. Very, very simple. So then you've got one length of sausages.
When all the hard work is done, all cooking lessons end with a delicious communal feast.
There we go.
Oh, they look good, don't they?
Yeah, I think one of the most exciting things about what we want to do here is create that concept of sharing. So this is to us, it's the most important part of the event, not just for the eating, but the sharing side of things.
Dave touched on it before, and it's true. If you've had a hand in the creation of a meal, the meal is far more satisfying. However, the proof is always in the pudding. And yes, satisfaction guaranteed. If only I could remember the recipe.